Alright guys, I came out to work on my truck today fully expecting to just do a quick job and not make a video at all because it was the same thing I did in the last video. But I'm dealing with the same issues that I did in the last video, but I did them off screen. I got 3 products, 2 of which are awesome products, 1 of which is total garbage. So this is what I got. From LMC Truck, you can get some of this insulation. You can put it on door panels, bedside panels. You can put it on your floor. Works awesome. I paired it with this all-purpose spray adhesive that I also got from LMC Truck, and that works great. Here is the garbage product. This is the aluminum tape that they recommend that you get when you put it in. Do not get it. And here's why. As you can see, I put duct tape in here because that tape was absolute trash. This insulation had fallen down. It was actually on this side right here, and I'll show you guys a picture. And it actually knocked the window off of its track, so it was binding up, not closing all the way. It was really frustrating. And the worst part is it's not like something that happens over time. It happened within a week of me putting it on there. I sprayed the adhesive on the back side of the insulation and the back side of the door panel so that it would adhere nicely, and then I put the tape on just like the instructions said. And that tape was just terrible. Is it super expensive? No. But I put some Gorilla Tape or duct tape, it works either way, on the other door, and it's held up super well. But if you guys are looking to get this, forget it. It's total trash. Might as well just get yourself another roll of duct tape. It works for so much more. Since we're already out here, we have the door panel off. The window is not rolling down super smooth, and I'll show you. All right, got it partially down. See, you've got rust on the well for the window, which isn't a huge deal, but if you look in the rail right there where the wheel is, it's totally dry. So we're gonna grease that. Super easy to do. This rail, which goes from here to there, and then you also have a rail right here. You're gonna wanna make sure, and that one just goes to about right here. You're gonna wanna make sure to grease both of those. That way your window will actually cycle properly. Got the window re-lubricated. I just put grease on the end of my glove and then worked in there. Make sure that you get the bottom and the top. And then also I like to keep the door handle on there loose so that you can move it and get the wheel out of the way so you can access the whole thing. This is grease that I used. This is R105 motor assembly grease. It's for everything, but it prevents rust and corrosion, and you can work it on hinges, locks, and latches. So that one's in there. This helps out a lot to make sure that your window cycles properly and smoothly. Just make sure that you cycle through a bunch after you've lubricated it. That way you can fully coat the wheels and the rails and get any of the spots that you missed. Ooh, yeah. Like butter. My rant's over. Don't buy the aluminum tape, and then make sure that you grease your windows so that they work nicely. That's about it. That's all I got.